Additional features of Windows 7. In this we studied touchscreen, snap, shake, arrow flip 3D, searching made easier, Windows 7 taskbar, jump list, and Window Media Center. What are the additional features of Windows 7? Windows 7 is your operating system, you all know. So what are the various features of Windows 7? Students, you have seen touchscreen mobile also of Windows. Have you seen Windows Mobile? It has touchscreen features with a touch sensitive screen and Windows 7 software. We can easily flip through photo albums and shuffle files and folders without using a mouse. Have you seen touchscreen in the ATM? Have you seen touchscreen in the mobile phones? Have you seen touchscreen in the tablets? So nowadays ATMs are fully touchscreen. So if your hardware is of touch sensitive screen and you have the window installed in that, then you can enjoy the feature of touch screen. Next is snap. It is a quick method to resize the open window. For this I have to open two windows side by side. Just click on the taskbar and then click on two windows side by side. Show windows side by side. Now our two windows are side by side. If I drag one of the window to the left edge of the screen, dragging the window to the upper edge of the screen will take up the entire screen. See, it will take the entire screen. Dragging the window to the lower edge of the screen, see, it is going to shrink. If it is expanding half of the screen. See, this is half of the screen it occupy. If I expand it in the vertically downward, see this. So this is the snap. Next is arrow flip 3D. It is an interesting feature of Windows 7. This feature enables you to preview all open windows in a stack. For this I have to open 2-3 applications in the taskbar. Students, open 2-3 applications and just then minimize it. Just minimize it. Now I am going to explain the feature of Windows 7, that is arrow flip 3D. Press window key and then use tab key. See, this is the arrow flip. All these applications are displaying in the form of stack. See, in the form of stack. Okay students, so this is the arrow flip 3D feature. Now I will tell you how your searching made easier, how you can search more easily in Windows 7. First of all, click on the start menu and there is an option of search. See here, it is the option to search any file or folder. Just name it. If I search paint, I write paint in this and then just click on see more results. See, you will immediately see a list of relevant documents. I have searched paint. See, there are various files or folders in which paint word is there. Okay students, so this is how your search made easier. Now students, Now I will tell you about Windows 7 taskbar. You know taskbar is at the bottom of the screen. This is the taskbar. Students, you can pin your favorite program anywhere on the taskbar for the easy access. See, this is the taskbar and there are various programs are there. If I want any of the application at the taskbar, I have to pin it. So if I want this tux paint application, just right click on it and click on pin to taskbar. Just click on it. See, your application is in the short form is at your taskbar. You can easily open in the next. If you want to open this, you just click on this and the tux paint is opened. Student, now I will tell you, you can preview the thumbnail of the opened file or programs by pointing to their icons on the taskbar. If any of the application is opened at the taskbar, just click your arrow on that. See, it is viewing that this application is this. You can also preview in the full screen mode. You can just click on this. See, your application is now in full screen mode in which you are working. Okay students, now I will tell you the new arrow pick features that allow you to turn the open window transparent. Just point to the show desktop button to the right edge of the taskbar. See, this is the our screen is transparent. See, the task now the tux paint which is at the pinned taskbar is now becoming transparent. Students, now I will tell you about jump list. Students, jump list is a new feature in Windows 7 which allows you to view the pinned documents, pictures, songs or websites that you use frequently. To open a jump list, just right click on a program icon on the Windows 7 taskbar. For example, you can jump to any website by clicking on it in the list. A jump list also appears on the start menu. Click on start. See, there are various programs where arrow is there. If I just click on this, see, the recent files are opened. Now I will explain about Windows Media Center. Watching TV, movies and other video content on your computer is easier than ever. Just search Windows Media Center. See, the Windows Media Center is here. Just click on it. Students, see this. See, the Windows Media Center is here. Just click on it. Students, see, this is Windows Media Center. Welcome to Windows Media Center. You know, with a cable connection, you can also watch and record TV shows also here. You can watch TV, movies and other video content on your computer. Okay, this is the Windows Media Center. You can discover new movies on your TV and on the go, easier in one place. This is all about Windows Media Center.
My name is Mansi and you are watching my channel Amazing Art and Craft. Please like and subscribe my channel.